Good morning, Vestigians, and welcome to the special e-training. This is the new initiative in which we will be continuing our learning and development. As you all are aware, due to the rising spread of COVID-19, our government has took this initiative of lockdown till 14th of April. So in this crisis situation, our learning and development should not be stopped. So we have devised this new technique in which we will be posting a new product video every day, in which we will try to cover all the product details along with the benefits. And today we are starting with a very innovative product from our prime category, Vestige Prime Sea Buckthorn. So let's start. So this is one question we would like to ask each one of you. Is your meal fulfilling your daily nutrition requirements? We all try to take all three major meals. Along with that, we try to take the mid snacks as well. But there is a difference between consuming meals and fulfilling the daily nutrition requirements. There are numerous data sources which says no, we are not taking the daily nutrition requirements, and what we miss is the essential nutrients in our meal: poor diet, poor absorption. And not only this, we all are under stress. We have sedentary lifestyles, we have a habit of skipping meals, we have a impaired food habits, adulterated food is all around, and we have this habit of munching the junk food as well. All these reasons actually leads to the nutritional deficiency and ultimately the inactive life. Many of us are suffering from this inactive lifestyle. So for this major problem, Vestige Prime Sea Buckthorn is actually the solution, because this is the daily dose for your active life. Now, sea buckthorn is been used since years. It is also known as wonderberry, layberry, because it is being found in colder areas of Leh Ladakh. Now, this small tiny berry contains so many nutrients. It contains vitamins like vitamin K, C, A, B complex, flavonoids. It contains omega 3, 6, 7, 9 fatty acids. In fact, it is one of the rarest source of omega 7 fatty acid. It contains minerals like zinc, iron, magnesium. It contains amino acids like methionine, leucine, lysine, glycine. Apart from this, it contains over 190 bioactive compounds. So the kind of formulation we have formed, it needs to be consumed twice daily, one capsule twice daily. Now coming to the benefits of Vestige Prime Sea Buckthorn, the major benefit this capsule is going to give, that it helps you to maintain the high energy, because it contains vitamin C and other nutrients, which helps to reduce the headache, dizziness, and increases the mental attention. It contains powerful antioxidants to protect brain tissue from damaging effect of free radicals and toxins. It also helps to build the stamina, and it removes the common symptoms like fatigue, low energy, muscle tension. So apart from these two major benefits, it has organ specific benefits as well, like on cardiac. The flavonoids which are there in sea buckthorn helps to regulate the blood pressure and improves the heart function. On diabetes, it helps to reduce the lipid peroxidation by decreasing the free radical formation, and thus helps in lowering the blood glucose level. On skin, because it contains vitamin A, E, omega 7 fatty acid, which are considered as essential nutrients for skin, they promote tissue and collagen regeneration, and thus they reduces the skin wrinkles and premature skin aging. Over gastric, it believes that it normalizes the gastric acid production and thus helps in relieving the symptoms of heartburn. So these are some of the benefits of sea buckthorn, but the major ones are that it helps you to maintain the high energy and helps you to build the stamina, and thus it is actually the daily dose for your active life. So don't wait, because all of us requires this kind of product. Your daily dose for your active life, Vestige Prime Sea Buckthorn, at distributor price of only 850 rupees. So we'll request you to share this tutorial now with all your team members and build a chain of learning from home. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay trained. Wish you wealth. Thank you.